Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna make papaya salad. So follow me. I'm gonna make papaya salad. It's very easy and a lot of vitamin C and benefits. Cherry tomato, Thai eggplant, hot cherry and garlic. Okay, let's go start it. Okay, everything go all in. Garlic, hot pepper, tomato, Thai eggplant, all going down. Lime juice, coconut sugar, Padek, Lao fish sauce. This kind, if you want this kind, you have to go to Thai market, okay? Thai fish sauce. Okay, let's mix. Them together. Smells so good. I'm so hungry. This is vitamin C, guys. This is benefits, okay? If you make papaya salad, you can eat with seafood, with noodle, everything. It's very good. Try it. Very easy ingredient, very easy, guys. Okay, if you like more sour, you add more lime juice or little sugar, little lime juice, whatever you like, depend how what kind of taste you want. This is spicy papaya salad, okay? If you go to Thailand restaurant, so they make that too, but they make Thai style. Thai style too sweet. Lao style is a big we go like very good taste, strong taste. This is Lao style. Let me taste it. Oh, so good. Oh wow, that's it. I'm done. Just like that. So good. Just in case they fail out, I just put more fish sauce in case they phase out. But I'm gonna eat with shrimp and squid and noodle. Okay, done, guys. That's it, mother. Come on, have some. That's it, done. Okay, this is shrimp. Eat with seafood, guys. This will be so good. And this squid, a little bit everything because I don't eat a lot. I eat just a little bit. Okay, that's it. And then this is noodle. Then this is papaya salad. Throw it down. So good, mother, you know. So good. Cilantro, eat with all the vegetable and have some more vegetable too. Spring onion. Okay, it's Lao basil. Come on, let's have fun with me, guys. Come on, let's go eat with me. That's it. That's good. Alright, let's go eat. Last one, tuna fish. Come on, guys. Squeeze tuna fish, everything. Oh, yum. There you have it, papaya salad. Come on, let's come eat with me. Oh, can't wait to eat, guys. So good. Delicious.